Welcome to Rosenbaum Science. I'm really excited about this platform that I'm going to be using for my students, and I'm excited to share it with anybody who needs help in science. I want to use this video to tell you a little bit about myself and how I intend these videos to be used. So I've been teaching for over 10 years, and I've taught a whole bunch of different sciences at different levels. The two sciences that I've taught the most are physics, which was my major in college, and chemistry. And at a high school level, I have taught physics and chemistry for a conceptual level, a regular high school level, honors, and I've taught both AP Physics 1 and AP Chem. I have also taught some biology, some health, some earth science, and in the math department, I have taught some math, some Algebra 1. In addition to teaching so many different types of science classes, including some math, I have taught between the 8th and 12th grade. So I have worked with a lot of different levels of students, different ages of students over the past 10 years. Now, these videos I am making for my students, but you can be my student too. And when I thought about making these videos, the way I wanted to make them different from other science videos is I wanted you to be able to make a producible, something tangible by the end of the video. So if you noticed, the video is a blank white screen, but there are a few lines that were pre-drawn on the screen. So I had a black line down the middle and another black line splitting the bottom half into two boxes. So what I imagine I would like my students to do, and you can do as well, is when you come to my videos, you should come with a blank sheet of paper. It can be a piece of scrap paper. I often use stuff that was printed on the front that I'm not using anymore and use the backs for things like this. So come with your piece of paper. Make the lines that I have on the screen, and for each video they'll be slightly different based on the needs, but there will be some sort of layout pre-drawn on the screen. And you should also come with a whole bunch of different pens, and they don't have to be the same colored pens that I have, but you should have a few different colors, a few different shades. And what you'll do is, as I'm talking and as we're discussing the topic, you can use your different color pens and write down notes on the sheet that you have set aside. And I don't expect anyone to take notes on this page, but I'm flattered if you did. So by the end of this, you will come out with a sheet of notes that you can then use to review, to study, to show your friends. And I hope that that physical piece of paper that you have at the end of the video is helpful to continue with your science studying. So again, welcome to Rosenbaum Science. I'm really excited to have you, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you. This is new for me, and I'm excited about where this is going. But if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below. I know that there's going to be a big difference between my first videos that I make and my last videos that I make, and any suggestions and comments that will help me continue to grow in this avenue would be very much appreciated. Thank you, and welcome to Rosenbaum Science.